In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Base44 platform effectively. This tutorial is designed to guide you through the key features and tools available at your fingertips. So whether you're new to Base44 or just looking to enhance your proficiency, you've come to the right place. Firstly, let's talk about the top navigation bar, a fundamental aspect of your browsing experience on Base44. Starting at the top left, you'll notice the Base44 logo. Clicking this will immediately return you to the home page, a handy feature if you need to quickly navigate back to the main interface. Moving along, the Apps section contains a list of example apps and templates that have been built using Base44. These examples can serve as a great source of inspiration as they can be cloned or serve as a learning platform for your projects. Next, there's the Integrations section, which is essential for connecting your applications to various services such as APIs or databases, and even tools like Stripe or OpenAI. This feature allows your app to interact with real-world data and functions, thus extending its capabilities. Similarly, the App Templates section offers pre-made app blueprints like CRM, task trackers, or finance trackers. Utilizing these templates can significantly speed up your development process, letting you kickstart your project without the need to build from scratch. If you find yourself needing additional help with your project, the Hire a Partner option connects you with Base44 certified freelancers or agencies. This is particularly useful if you're looking to outsource parts of your project or require specialized assistance. For those interested in promoting Base44, the Affiliates section offers an opportunity to sign up and earn commissions. This is especially appealing for content creators or marketers looking to expand their revenue streams. Should you need support, the Docs and Support section is your go-to for comprehensive documentation, tutorial guides, and troubleshooting information. This is a critical resource for anyone needing to overcome challenges or simply looking to learn more about the platform. The notification bell at the top of the bar will keep you updated with any changes, alerts, or messages related to your apps. Furthermore, the gift icon typically links you to promotions, referral bonuses, or rewards for trying out new features. Finally, on the top right, you'll find My Workspace, your personal dashboard where you can manage your apps, settings, and projects with ease. Moving to the main section, you'll find the App Builder prompt. The text box is where you describe the app you want to create. For example, typing a budget tracker with charts and user login allows Base44's AI to automatically generate a full app structure tailored to your needs. The orange arrow button beside the text box is there to submit your idea and launch the app building process instantaneously. There's also an option to add styling instructions where you can define specific design elements like color themes or layouts. At the bottom of the page, you'll discover the Idea Suggestions area, which offers tags such as productivity, travel planning, or personal finance. Clicking on any tag will populate the input box with a sample prompt to kickstart your creativity. Additionally, the More Ideas button will reveal more categories, giving you a broader selection of projects to ponder over. Scrolling further down showcases a curated collection of applications created by the community, offering further inspiration and insight into the possibilities with Base44. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to navigating the Base44 platform.